Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kinpira Sweet Potato, braised sweet potato seasoned with soy sauce and sugar. Kinpira is usually made with gobo, burdock root, but today we are making it with Japanese sweet potato. This is a great small side dish, or make it as a snack to have with tea in the afternoon. These are the ingredients. Japanese sweet potato called satsumaimo has yellow meat with purple skin, and it is quite dense and sweet when cooked. You will likely find it at local stores in the US, but if you can't find it, try any Asian market. For more information, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. Wash the sweet potato and slice into thin rounds with the skin on. And stuck a few slices and cut into matchsticks like that. Soak in water in a large bowl and let sit for 10 minutes. Strain water and remove moisture as much as possible. Heat a frying pan with the oil at medium heat. Add the sweet potato and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Add water, cover, turn down the heat to medium-low, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and we are going to add seasonings. Sugar, sake, and soy sauce. Stir gently so that potato is not going to break into small pieces. Cook until almost all the liquid is gone. Add the sesame seeds. Gently stir and remove from the heat. This can be made ahead and kept in the fridge for up to a week. Try this convenient and tasty side dish next time you find a Japanese sweet potato.
美味しい。美味しいね。